Hello and welcome to iCalculator's video series on US tax basics. In this video, we'll be focusing on the state of Alabama. We'll cover the state's history, types of taxes and exemptions, and how those tax revenues are used to fund government services and programs. Alabama was founded in 1819 and is located in the southeastern region of the United States. The state has a diverse economy, primarily driven by agriculture, manufacturing, and healthcare industries. Alabama is also known for its rich history and cultural heritage, particularly in music, literature, and art. Alabama has a significant role in the civil rights movement in the United States, including the Montgomery bus boycott and the Selma to Montgomery marches. In terms of tax-related historical events, Alabama introduced its first sales tax in 1936, which initially applied to only a few items. However, over the years, the scope of the sales tax has expanded to include a wide range of goods. Let's take a look at the different types of tax in Alabama. Sales tax, use tax, property tax, individual income tax, corporate income tax, estate tax, gasoline tax, cigarette and tobacco tax, motor vehicle tax. Now let's take a look at these different taxes in further detail. Sales tax is a tax on the sale of tangible personal property, such as goods, furniture, and electronics. Use tax is a tax on the use of tangible personal property in Alabama, where sales tax was not paid. Property tax is a tax on real estate and personal property owned by individuals and businesses. Individual income tax is a tax on personal income earned by individuals living in Alabama. Corporate income tax is a tax on net income earned by corporations doing business in Alabama. Estate tax is a tax on the transfer of property after a person's death. Gasoline tax is a tax on the sale of gasoline in Alabama. Cigarette and tobacco tax is a tax on the sale of cigarettes and tobacco products in Alabama. Motor vehicle tax is a tax on the purchase of motor vehicles in Alabama. Now we have covered the different types of taxes, it's important to understand what they go towards. Alabama's tax revenues are primarily used to fund government services and programs, including education, healthcare, public safety, transportation, and infrastructure. In recent years, Alabama has increased funding for education and infrastructure projects, such as road improvements, bridge repairs, and school construction. Now let's take a look at the different type of tax exemptions in Alabama. Personal exemptions. Child and dependent care credit. Federal employee retirement income. Social Security income. Military pay income. SSI benefits. Railroad retirement benefits. Workers' compensation benefits. Veterans benefits. That's all for our video on Alabama tax basics. We hope that this Alabama state tax guide was helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the state's tax system. By knowing more about the history, types of taxes, how taxes work, and the various exemptions available, you can make more informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Be sure to stay tuned for the next state tax guide in this series, where we'll explore the tax system of another state and provide you with valuable insights. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.